Hello and welcome. So, in my previous video, we showed live chat uh, for Messenger, and now we are going to see the live chat UI of Keyboard Push for WhatsApp. So, also in a couple of videos that we saw, so we had been looking at chatbot on Messenger and WhatsApp as well, and any agent can look at the chat that customer was having with their chatbot. So I can see this particular customer was talking to my chatbot, and he was able to get these messages from our chatbot. So whenever any agent wants, he can also start talking to the customer, and at that moment the chatbot will be paused. So this is the WhatsApp platform, so we can easily see on what platform we are and to which customer we are speaking to. So in the Keyboard Push live chat, we have these options. So a customer can start having a chat with an admin, and admin can reply from here. So for example, I'm admin, I'm saying hello, we can talk about cancellation here. I am an agent. Okay, so you can see the previous message was your order cannot be cancelled, and we will, and any agent will talk to you soon. So now agent has replied to the customer, and let me reply as a customer from WhatsApp as well. I want something else, please cancel. So customer said that please cancel my order, I want something else, and now agent can say it is already in shipment, we can't cancel it right now until you receive it. Okay, so in this we have options of sending images to the customer, we can send attachment, we can send stickers. So for example, let me send any attachment from admin side to the customer. So I will select any image and send to the customer, and the customer will receive this image on the WhatsApp, and I can also attach the caption to this new image. So now this image has been sent to the customer on WhatsApp, and also the customer has option to send the images from WhatsApp to the agents as well. So let me send one image from the customer side to the admin. So let me send a product image from WhatsApp. So you can see we have received an image from the customer side here, and the other option that we have is to send stickers. And also if we think that an admin needs some audio or video or call with customer, so we have given this option called Zoom. So any agent can start a Zoom meeting with the customer in order to better resolve their queries if the query is not being solved on the chat. So when you click on this button, so it will ask us to select a Zoom account, so we can integrate with multiple of Zoom accounts, and this feature is available for both free and paid Zoom accounts. So I will just select agenda and topic, and then a URL will be sent to the customer on WhatsApp, and here the agent will be redirected to the Zoom meeting. So once I click on this, then now you can see this will open up a Zoom meeting for me with the customer. Okay, so other thing that we have in this, that we can go and resolve a chat session by clicking this tick mark button. So if I click this tick, the chat session has been resolved and moved to the separate queue called closed, and I can see the messages here as well. And if I think, I can open this issue, so I can reopen this ticket as well. So by clicking on this, now I have reopened this, and it has gone to the open queue. And also we have this option for the customer. So once the chat has been resolved by the agent, then a customer can reopen the chat by sending any message. So if customer send message again, the chat will reopen. So you can see the chat was reopened again as I sent a message from WhatsApp account of the customer. So we have option to assign the chat sessions to agents. So if we think agent B is more suitable for this type of customer, then we can assign that agent to this chat. Now that particular agent will be able to chat to this customer. And also we have option to assign to teams. So we can have several teams, and any agent can belong to multiple teams as well. Similarly, we have options of doing search inside a chat. So we can do the search. For example, I can say can so within this chat session, search all the messages which has this word cancel in them. So now it is showing me all of the messages. So I can just click on this and it will take me to that particular message. Okay, so this is okay. So we have other options like us doing the sort, and we can see the unread messages only for the pending chat sessions which are not assigned to any agent yet. So we can do this as well, and we can also do the search between the chat sessions by the customer's name. Thank you.